हिक्कप्स पार्ट 5। मैं हूँ डॉक्टर श्यामवीर भुरैया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, रोग निदान डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, जयवती विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। अब हम मेडिसिन देख रहे थे जिसमें मेडिकेशंस ड्रग्स कॉमनली यूज्ड टू treat long-term hiccup include chlorpromazine, metoclopramide, baclofen, proton pump inhibitors, lidocaine, haloperidol, surgical and other procedures. If less invasive treatments are not effective, an injection of an anesthetic to block phrenic nerve to stop hiccups. Another option is to surgically implant a battery-operated device to deliver mild electrical stimulation to your vagus nerve. This procedure is most commonly used to treat epilepsy, but it has also helped control persistent hiccup. Lifestyle and home remedies. Although there are no certain way to stop hiccups, if a bout of hiccups that last longer than a few minutes, the following home remedies may provide relief. Although they are unproven, breathe into a paper bag, gargle with ice water, hold your breath, sip cold water। इस तरह से का के बारे में बताया गया है। थैंक यू।